How to start a cruise ship. Turn on the deposit batteries, then turn on the electrical systems and restart the circuit flow. Then flick on the electrical movement primer and starter key. Wait for the light to turn on and turn off the starter. Then speed run to the machine room and check that the fuel levels are above the red line so that there's enough to start the motors. Then go to a motor panel. Flick on the master lever and click start. Do the same for the other side and watch QuertyIt mob school videos until motors start.